What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how I stay productive as a full-time creative person slash full-time self-employed person. Now, when I tell you I have to get right up out this bed if I want to wake up at 6 in the morning, especially since it's dark outside, but we get right to it. I got some charcoal powder from Simply Wholesome in LA that I'm using to brush my teeth, and I kind of just want to splash my face with some water, quick moisturize, then, deal with my matted hair that I've been putting off wash day. But anyways, just kind of wake up. Start out with a nice warm drink. I'm making some ginger tea here. I kind of go through phases of drinking coffee, and I'm kind of trying to stop right now, so this will help get me going. Now, I have a few things to do before I go out of town this weekend, so it really helps me to just write everything down to organize it. I know I could use my phone, but this helps me best. A little morning time with puppy is always good. Get some fresh air. Amadeus is becoming quite the outdoor puppy, and I'm not mad at it. Now, I want to go on a hike before I get some things done. So it's a little chilly outside, and I just want to make sure I'm all covered up, especially since I got my brows done and I need to avoid direct sun. So I got a little hat going for me today. It's about 7 o'clock by the time we get in the car, and the drive's really quick. It's not that far away. It looks a lot crazier from down here, but I'm telling you, it's very easy. Goes by super quick, and the views are great. I'm so glad Ben came along with us today. Made it to the top. You can see the cross right here. Going down is so quick, and the views are great. We conquered the mountain. By the time we get back in the car, it's about 8 o'clock. Then I needed to head over to the grocery store to grab a few things, specifically this fine mesh strainer, since I plan on making some quinoa wraps for lunch today. I had some quinoa soaking overnight, so I had to make sure I got that. Then before I shower, I just want to get a quick stretch in after moving my muscles. I definitely detangled my hair a little bit in the shower. Boom, 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 boom. Right back up. And here we go. As I said, I soaked some quinoa overnight. Then I'm just gonna, put it in the blender with some spring water, seasonings, put it right up. Then, after my warm-ups, time to sing. So I have been intermittent fasting, and I was getting kind of antsy. I had probably about a half hour, maybe an hour before noon before I could eat. So I just decided to get some editing done while I waited. It's about 11:45 now, so I went ahead and started cooking. First, I got the quinoa wraps. I just put them on the stove and then, make them flat, flip them. Making a tofu scramble over here. Crumble up all the tofu, nutritional yeast for the cheesy flavor. Then I get all my seasonings in there. Finally, it's noon. I can wait no longer, so I just go ahead and smash on this avocado. Got my plate together. I love a good Olipop. Gotta take my supplements. And here we go. It's about noon. And now I'm ready to get some more work done. What do you guys think? Thanks for hanging out with me.